been a while. Welcome back to the channel, to the video, to the vlog. Today's video is going to be a disappointing video. If you read the description, then you'll know what I'm talking about. But you know, I am thankful that nothing else happened. But unfortunately, guys, I'm inside the car. It happened about, I'm gonna say, like 5 minutes ago. It happened. I had to go to O'Reilly's to grab a razor to get to come off, and then once I got that to come off, then other things start falling off. So with that being said, I'll show you what's inside the trunk. And if you guys know what that is, yeah, that is front. And it goes all the way around. I literally had to cut all this off. It did put a hole in my what's it called? But if you see it, I'm sure you had to cut it all off. Literally all the way through there. I don't know if you can see that, but I literally had to cut it all off. I had to put a hole in my windshield wiper fluid. That's what I'm thinking about, windshield wiper fluid. So now what I'm going to be doing today is reinstalling that, getting everything back to how it was. I will not be able to put that guard back on. I'll have to order that guard, but that will be on another video. I will try to get that taken care of. But like I said, I'm thankful that, you know, nothing else happened. Like, I lost a lot of pieces on the highway. Should I say not on the highway, but one of the streets. But it was like I wasn't like on the main highway where it you know, hit one of my belts, broke my belt, and hit all this and all that. So thankfully I didn't have that happen. And only thing that it busted that I know of that I had been searching was my windshield wiper pump and fluid and reservoir, what you want to call that. But I am thankful that nothing else happened. I'm in the car now. It is started. I'm driving it. I am going home. I am going to figure out what I'm going to eat. Then I'm going to go home and, you know, jack the car up, whatever. I got to be careful because I have a set of the jacks, the floor jacks that Harbor Freight recalled. So I have to be careful because something like this, I have some. I don't know if I have 4 or if I have more than that. So I had to go home and check and see how many of those floor jacks I have from Harbor Freight, because they did a recall on those, and I did buy those from Harbor Freight. I don't know how that works. I got to get more information, but I do have. If you guys have seen my previous video before, or any of my videos before, when I had my 91 Honda Prelude, take it back, 92 Honda Prelude, sorry about that, my 92 Honda Prelude, it is on jack stands in my garage, and I think my jack stands are Harbor Freight. So I want to make sure I check those out before I jack this car up and put them on those jack stands. So I will resume this video once I get home and inspect those jack stands, and then put this one up on, you know, put this up on jack stands, or maybe up on something to get it where it jacks up, so I can further inspect the vehicle. I did a slight inspection when I was at O'Reilly's, but I did not do a good inspection. Like I said, I know for sure my windshield wiper pump reservoir is leaking slowly but surely, and you know, we'll figure it out when I get home and get that jacked up and go from there. But I just want to let you guys know that I'm going to get this fixed. I'm going to put the grill back on, take my bumper off, put my grill back on, put everything back on that came off, and get this car back on the road, because I have a car show going on this weekend. So if you guys watch this in enough time, then you guys should know that I have a car show going on this weekend, and I'm gonna try to get this video out as soon as possible. I don't think I have any more videos that I need to get out except for a couple, but I'm gonna go ahead and get those out and this out, and we'll see you guys once I resume this.